This video is brought to you by our channel partner Rayboot. Their software allows you to fix a ton of issues on iOS. It'll let you upgrade or downgrade iOS as a whole. Enter recovery mode. It has 150 plus issues for iOS that can be resolved. It'll reset your iOS devices, permanently erase data if you need, and a ton of other options if your phone is frozen, if it is stuck in different modes you don't want it to be, if there's excess battery drain, boot loops, it'll take care of it all for you. Thanks for partnering with us on today's video. So if you are lazy like me and hate having to plug in your iPad to a USB-C port every time, we finally have a new solution courtesy of Kuxiu. I believe that's how you pronounce it. They have a new magnetic iPad charger. It's very slim, looks really nice, and actually very reasonably priced to fit your needs. Now, a couple caveats to this first. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money, but these chargers here do not work if you use any sort of folio case like this, simply because, as you see, that smart pin connector is actually blocked. But if you take it off, you actually have access to it and can use it no problem. Ignore the fingerprints, please. You can tell it's been in the case for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and just set this down right here for a minute and unbox this. So it does come in specific models. So this one is for the 13-inch M4, and there is another one for the 11-inch M4. The reason these are specific to actual products, specific models, is because of how the arrangement for the magnets are on some of the older versions. Usually anything that works with the M4 iPad Pros don't work backwards compatible. So there's that. Again, small, simple packaging. Let me go ahead and grab this and cut right into it and open it up. And seeing it right off the bat for the first time, it feels actually very nice and solid with a nice long, let me see, it's actually 6.65 feet with a braided cable. So plenty of distance if you want to use it while it's charging or just need the distance for an outlet. And as you can see here, this is it. This is the entire product that's simply going to be able to line up just like that. I should say like that, and wirelessly charge your iPad. So what I'm going to do is quickly plug this in so you guys can see exactly how it works. I have a charger down here, and okay, I'm going to go ahead and set it on it, flip it over, and yeah, you can see right there, it is charging as expected. Very neat to see. And now again, you just line it up, set it down, and you are good to go. I think that this is actually probably going to be one of the easiest charging scenarios if you have a dedicated workstation where you don't want to have to keep plugging and unplugging into your USB-C port. This could be a great solution. So we'll go ahead and pull that off. Let's go ahead and just pop it off really quick so you can see it. Attaches right back on, and you can see it is charging as you would expect. So again, these only run about 40 bucks or so. I'll throw a link up down below. Don't believe they're on Amazon, so there's no affiliate links here. However, we do appreciate it if you use our links anyway. Anytime those are options, it definitely helps support the channel. But that's it for this one. Quick, short video for you guys today. Let me know what you think about this accessory. Are you interested? I think that's going to be a great addition to anybody's workstation. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.